Firefighter is facing a different type of fight tonight.
Yeah, tonight he is under investigation after comments he posted on Facebook. Only on 5, News Channel 5's Homa Bash spoke with him and the fire department.
People reached out to us outraged about anti-gay comments posted on social media. While the fire department is now investigating, the firefighter told me he just got carried away with his opinion. This Facebook photo on the Humans of New York page has gone viral. Even Hillary Clinton posted a comment. But among more than 58,000 comments under this 13-year-old boy's photo, there's this that reads, "You're mentally ill, Andrew, just like this kid and the rest of the immoral homosexuals and their supporters." That comment from Guy Estergall, a 26-year veteran of the Cleveland Fire Department.
This was in a heated argument between me and one individual that got carried away a little too far. He started name calling, so I knew how to get his goat. So I did. Estergall's
comments continue. Another one reading, "The overwhelming majority of pedophiles are homosexuals. You need to get the professional psychiatric help you need to become normal."
I knew what to say to tick him off. Was it childish? Of course. But, you know, this is Facebook. It was a nothing thing.
Not a nothing, according to the Cleveland Fire Department.
Definitely shocked and definitely surprised.
Spokesman Larry Gray saying they've never had a problem with Estergall before, but as soon as this was brought to their attention, they opened up an investigation.
This type of action, these type of statements are unacceptable, and we will not tolerate things like this.
Estergall says he didn't represent himself as a firefighter on Facebook. Those comments were made of his own opinion. Now, Cleveland Fire does have a social media policy that Larry Gray told us all firefighters have to read and sign. Live in Cleveland tonight, I'm Homa Bash, News Channel 5.